This gotta be Makgopa's strongest point. Ngwana says that is what he is good at. Playing at the shoulder of the last defense, dragging out some center backs, and disorganizing the defense in your team, creating a space for Abonkota, Aborele, Abotito to take shots. This is what Evidence Makgopa is good at. I mean, show me a striker that can do this, beside maybe Sales at Sundowns, but Ngwana says, I mean, look at that, man. Look at how this guy plays. Even though Enama bad traits are, but I mean, it's very good when it comes to playing and making the team play, everyone involved in the front line. Look at this. I mean, his relationship with Nkota was superb. He was doing this all game long. And the second point that is strongest, his aerial prowess. Very good when it comes to air and clearing the balls, defending, and the energy in the team. He's very good with that. And the joke is, Makgopa can be a very good centre back, which is, I can't oppose. I mean, look at him clearing all the balls. Bekhona abo Xoki, abo Mbogazi, abo Makaula, but he's there clearing all the balls. I mean, akasabi ukuthatha i-challenge, but the problem is angijwayele umbone kodwa ngekhanda though. I mean, look at him again. It's him as a centre forward who there to cover that left space issue hold. Can you imagine? I mean, look at him dropping, supporting plays, running on the channel. You know, defense is confused, but the problem is no one is here in that area. I know Makgopa is always lacking in those areas. I don't know what happened in this incident. I mean, look at that. He's lazy, running slow instead of running into the space. That what Mabasa is good at, in realizing the space that is missing. Look at me. Come on, Makgopa, man. You gotta be punishing such as a striker. I mean, we can't be defending you as a striker and you fail to convert such, because this is what abantu bamkritizayizela yona ukuthi he can't convert chances. I mean, look at how he peels away from a defense and opening space for himself, but finishing Ngwana says I'm sharper blind, and even in this game we amathuba maning even before he scored. I mean, look at this again. Failing to take a responsibility to take a shot first time, killing the defense and passing to Rele, and by then 6 defenders are on to Rele. So as a striker, you should always take a responsibility when you are in that box, you know. And again, another chance came, failing to take a responsibility. Again, as a striker, take a responsibility, take shots. Ngwana says, come on. You can, if he can fix finishing yakho, Ngwana says can be a top striker. I mean, finally, after missing like dozens of chances, he redeemed himself, and you know what he do, man. Come on, Skomota this thing. Ngwana says, I mean, you gotta love this guy, man. I mean, you know, his celebration after the penalty. You can only hate Makgopa, guys. Come on, you can only hate this guy. This guy is a pure energy. It's pure fun. It's pure guy being around. That penalty, I mean, it was a good, calm penalty, and topped with that celebration that he did. The guy, I just love the guy, man. Like, I really love the guy, but wouldn't just let her down in many instances, you know, where it matters the most, we need to finish. I mean, as a striker, we will judge you based on finishing. Please like and subscribe, guys.